How did your military mindset help to prepare you to take the PMP? What aspects of that experience translated over?
It really is just a lot of mindset, and I really appreciated that Greg said he failed the PMP the first time that he took it, because that gives me the courage to say that I failed land navigation the first time I took it when I was in officer candidate school with the Army. And it's humiliating. I didn't tell anybody that the whole time I was in the military. But now I look at it and I realize that all I did was I said, okay, if you fail another time, you get kicked out of the school. And that's a terrible feeling. And I said, I'm going to get up every day. I'm not going to give up today. Today's not going to be the day that I quit. And it's just, I got the one foot in front of the other mindset. If you're 8 miles into a 14-mile ruck march, you cannot think about how 4 miles sounds impossible. You have to think about the next step. I'm going to take the next step. I don't know if I can do the whole thing, but I know I can take one more step. And so that's what I did. And that's how I got through OCS. I passed land nav. And so when you look at the PMP, I went and grabbed this book when I started thinking about that story. It is so thick. And if you look at this whole thing and you go, man, I don't know if I can do that, then you're going to talk yourself out of it before you even do it. And so, I put off studying for it, but eventually I said, I'm going to open it up and I'm just going to read 5 pages. And that's what I did. And so it is just the mindset that I 100% learned in the military, which is just focus on the thing in front of you. And if that seems too big, then break it down into a smaller increment. And it works. I got through the exam.